Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here with a little kit for you guys. I've kind of put this together by request because a lot of people have been asking about pink saris. So this is all pinks, varying shades of pink, but all pinks, except for one piece which I will show you. So it's going to be a really pretty little kit to play with if you love pink as much as I do. So let me show you what's in it. This is off the edge of a sari. It is a pink pom-pom trim, and I'm giving you a nice big length of that so you can add that to the side of a journal or a project. Everybody loves pom-pom trim, so there is that. And a lovely piece of the pearl trimmed pink sari, pink and gold. The back is purple, but that's kind of the main side. I love this trim. I don't have a ton of it left, so because I have sold quite a bit of it, so if you're wanting this piece, this would be the kit to get. And then look at this, so beautiful. Nice big piece with two of the big medallions and one of the smaller, and I mean they're just so beautiful with the stones. That's a big pink stone in the middle. And then there's the small one. I mean, it's so pretty. So pretty and sparkly. So a lovely piece of that. And then there is a lovely piece of this with the sheer fabric. And this is like, I want to say like black, hot pink, and gold. Super pretty. Nice big piece of that. You can see it's much bigger than my hand. And then I included a piece of this, and the reason I did is because of it's so beautiful, and it's got the hot pink in it, and it would go really nicely with a lot of the pieces that are in there. And I just felt like you guys would like a piece of that. I had these in my last kits, but it's such a beautiful embroidered and sequin trim that I thought that you guys would like a piece of it in this kit. So I put that in there. And then there is this beautiful piece. Love it. I love the paisley. And then this is a lovely pink sheer fabric, and these are great for making flowers. I like to include just the plain sheer ones because you can make beautiful rolled roses with these. It's lovely silk, really pretty. And then this is a big piece, and it has this beautiful hand embroidered flower on it. Absolutely gorgeous. And the fabric has like little polka dots. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but the fabric has little polka dots in it. It's super pretty, but you can see how big that flower is. I mean, if you put that on the cover of a journal, it would be just gorgeous. So pretty. And you could put like bling in the center of the flowers on the cover of your journal. That would be amazing. And then this is a very pretty piece. I love the turquoise and the pink together. Now this one in particular, there's two of these motifs, and then there's two of a different kind. So you'll either get this one or the other motif, because I only have 4 kits. So this is in this one, and it's got the sequins at the bottom as well. And then this beautiful piece, which I love, beautiful gold beaded flower on beautiful pink trim. This is a silk fabric, and it has very tiny little flowers on it. I hope the camera will pick it up. You can probably see them there. And then the edge has the little gold wire trim. This is a pinky purple silk, plain silk. This is a tulle, and some of them will have this little bling piece on it. Some of them will have this edge, some of them may just be tulle, but it's a very nice soft pink tulle. And then this beautiful piece of pink and gold sari, heavily beaded. Super pretty, and it's a nice big piece. Look, you can see there's my hands. So it's a nice big piece. And then last but not least, there is this fabric, and it has all these little glitter pieces on them. I'm not sure what they are, but it's really pretty, and I thought it went well with the kit. So there's that part of it, and then there's a piece with the butterflies on it. I mean, you could make bags out of these. They'd be perfect for bags. And then decorate them with your sari pieces. So that is the kit. I hope you like it. And pink saris are not the easiest things to find, and I'm going to keep looking. But for now, that's what I've got. And if you're interested in this all pink kit, I love that piece. That's so pretty. If you are interested in this really beautiful kit, let me know. My email's in the description box, and the kit is $10. So it's a good deal for 10 bucks. And they're nice big pieces. They're not snippets, so you can do a lot with these. Absolutely gorgeous pieces. I mean, really, it's a good deal for 10 bucks. So let me know what you think, guys. Comment down below or email me if you're interested. 10 bucks plus shipping. Thanks, guys.